Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing our LED lights under our doors to replace the stock basic lights that the Tesla comes with. I got these on Amazon. They were very inexpensive, very cheap, and they work the same, just like any others. And I'll be showing you guys how to install these into your Tesla. These work on all the Teslas. Not sure about the Cybertruck, but I do know it works on all the Teslas. Let's see what it comes with. So it comes with all the lights, as you can see here, and then it also comes with the tool that you can pop the light out. It comes with some instructions, and then it also comes with a part where you could register the lights, where you can get a warranty just in case anything happens to it. This should be very, very simple. So let's get started. So when you take them off the wrapper, you're gonna notice it says R right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says R for right, and then L for left. It's kind of an uncomfortable spot because it's right there under the door, but this is what we got to do on this side. There's actually a little opening right here. You probably can't see it, but we're just going to put that in like that. And just poke it out just like that. Okay, so it's not really coming out any further. Oh, and there's a clip right here. You could actually yank it out a little bit. Okay, so just pull it out just like that. And then we're going to replace it with this one. Alright, and as you can see, it's lighting up right here. We're just going to shove it. And then if you go like this, you can, I don't know if you can see it on my hand, so we want it to open up like that, so that's how we are going to do it. I'm just going to shove it right back in there. Perfect. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's on my hand, and that is how it's going to look at night. That was simple enough. That was the quickest little upgrade you can do for your Tesla. If I wasn't recording, it would have taken me maybe 3 minutes. I would definitely keep the stock ones, put them back in this little box right here, just in case one of these goes out and you want to replace it. But other than that, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you guys on the next video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are out.